In our series report about food waste in Taiwan, next we find out how National Zhongxing University has cut production of traditional compost from 3 months to 3 hours. Meanwhile, Fengjia University's Green Energy Development Center has developed a new process using enzymes which produces hydrogen gas.
Leftover food is first collected in these buckets and then later transported to a pig farm. Here, chunks of food waste go into a shredder and are ground finely and then subject to high-temperature sterilization.
In case we receive kitchen waste that has been infected with foot and mouth disease, subjecting it to high-temperature cooking could destroy the virus and lessen the chances of epidemic risk.
Kitchen waste from hypermarkets and supermarkets, which are subject to high-temperature sterilization by legal enterprises, can become liquid-type feed that can be directly fed to pigs.
Kitchen waste from hypermarkets is typically disposed of as pig feed, but the pig farms that utilize it must have a legal license to operate.
Unfortunately, there are more illegal pig farmers than legal ones. Without certification, kitchen waste sterilization is unlikely carried out at illegal farms, raising the risk of foot and mouth disease. Last year, 67% of the kitchen waste recycled in Taiwan was used for pig feed, with the rest being used as compost. Different from traditional composting methods, National Zhongxing University has developed a new system which is more efficient.
By adding enzymes within 3 hours, we can process the kitchen waste and turn it into fertilizer.
This new technology, which uses enzymes to decompose kitchen waste, only takes 3 hours. Traditional composting processes, which make use of microbial decomposition, may take 2 to 3 months to convert kitchen waste into compost.
This equipment can handle 2.5 tons of kitchen waste each day. Conventional kitchen waste composting needs 10 times the space and causes a stench, which is an environmental pollution problem.
While composting technology has improved, most Taiwan people are familiar with traditional methods of composting.
The EPA said that compost products aren't doing very well. We doubt that turning kitchen waste into compost is a good solution.
Some believe that surplus compost could be used as a source of green energy.
This landfill probably didn't see good garbage separation, so too much kitchen waste was put into the landfill, which has led to lots of organic matter fermentation. This type of anaerobic fermentation produces biogas.
In 4 years, Taipei City government plans to build a kitchen waste processing facility to produce methane gas. Kitchen waste, when subjected to bacterial decomposition, naturally produces methane gas. Actually, in the laboratory, kitchen waste can also produce another kind of useful energy, hydrogen.
Using our kitchen waste as raw material, we use a motor to extract hydrogen into a tank. The bacteria decomposing this raw material produces hydrogen.
This is Fengjia University's Green Energy Science and Technology Center's plant, which can handle a maximum of 2 metric tons of organic waste a day to produce 4,000 liters of hydrogen. Hydrogen fuel not only powers toy cars, but cars in real life. Taiwan manufacturers have developed a new hydrogen car that maneuvers and operates much like a typical vehicle.
This technology isn't reliant on fossil fuels, which need to be refined and also excavated, such as crude oil for a long time, and later makes greenhouse gases. We just use the leftover food and basic technology, and there are no greenhouse gas emissions.
Kitchen waste can be used as a green energy source, but the current cost is too high and can't compete with fossil fuels which pollute the earth. Still, as the global environment deteriorates, reduction of leftover food waste may be the best solution to our problems.